Integration by parts using a simple method. As you know, the basic formula of integration by part is integral of u dv equals to uv minus integral of v du. To solve this example, using this formula, since we have x cubed, we are going to need to integrate for 3 times. So another easy way, some of you call it tic-tac-toe or any other name you want to call it, it's as follows. You are going to have 2 columns. The first column we'll call it D, which is the derivative column. The other column we're going to call it I, which is the integral column. Now you have to take care while choosing your derivative and your integral, what you're going to differentiate and what you're going to integrate. As you can see, I'm going to choose x cubed to differentiate and ex to integrate. Why I did that? Because in this method we're going to need the derivative to reach to 0. So if I choose ex, I'm never going to reach to 0 because the derivative of ex is ex and derivative of ex is ex, and that's it. We're going forever. So the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, then 6x, then 6, then 0. Reach to 0. The integral of ex is ex, and ex. You're going to need to integrate ex the same number of times you differentiated x cubed to reach to 0. Now we're going to connect the lines x cubed to the second point in the integral column, second point in the derivative column, third point to the integral column, and so on. Right, as you see in this way. The second step, we're going to assign the signs, plus, minus, starting with plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus. Now, when you reach to this point, and you're going to say that the derivative of x cubed dx equals to the first term, which is x cubed, ex, and the sign is positive, then minus, because we have a minus, 3x squared ex, 3x squared ex, plus 6x ex, 6x ex, minus 6ex, then plus, but 0 multiplied by anything is 0, so we're not going to write it. As you see that the last term and the first term of the derivative column and the integral column, we don't use it, but it's just there to simplify and to help us solve it, because if we're going to reach to 0, you need to stop, and this is the first integral. We're not going to use it, just it's there to help us integrate. However, this method made it easier for us to integrate. As you see, we have the whole solution down here, and this is solved easily and nicely. Using the other method, you're going to integrate it 3 times, and you might make mistakes in the signs or anything else. Hope that helped you.